Hello everyone and welcome to a video that's a little different from the usual for me here, but I figure you guys say you want more of my cats. I don't blame you. They can be pretty freaking cute. However, they're hairy little monsters, my two cats. I've got two long-haired cats, one of which is a Siberian, the other is some kind of, I'm assuming, Maine Coon mix. So they've got a lot of fur, and especially during the summer here, oh my word. I mean, even just looking here, like, after picking him up, there's so much fur in the air. I vacuum every day, almost. I vacuum 5 days a week. It's usually more than that, but like, we'll say that. I vacuum all the time because there is always fur all over my carpet and it drives me bananas. It doesn't drive me bananas when it's all over my clothes, which, sorry guys, I know that bugs some of you. That's one comment I used to get a lot. Do you own a lint roller? And I'm always like, I do. I just don't care. However, the lint roller that I have is very similar to this product in that it's not a lint roller. It's a lint roller, but it's not a lint roller. Stick with me, folks. It's a reusable wand brush thing, but mine's really beat up because I do use it, and I've been seeing a lot of Instagram ads for this particular product lately, and so when I was in store and I saw this at Joann Fabrics, I freaked the F out. I was so excited. This is the Hurricane Fur Wizard Pet Fur and Lint Remover. It says as seen on TV. To me, this is as seen on my phone in Instagram land. And I am so excited to try this out. I got it for super cheap. I think this retails for about 20 bucks, maybe a little less than that. Like probably, since it's infomercial-esque, it's probably like $19.95. But you know, Joann is wonderful. Joann Fabrics. I speak like we're on a first name basis. But you know, Joann and Michael, we friends. And there's always a coupon online for Joann Fabrics, and I was able to find one that was for 40% off. So I got this for like 12.5 bucks or something. Yeah, I'm not complaining. Not only does it come with the full size, but it also comes with the travel size, which is fantastic. But look at this. You're just supposed to be able to swipe this and it's magic. Like, I don't know how else to describe it other than it's supposed to be magic, and you can use it in your car and on your clothes, and cleanup is supposed to be really easy. You just like stick the wand in the holder thing and then it like removes it all. Oh, there we go. It even says self-cleaning base. Yes. You guys, I am just thrilled to try this out. Not necessarily for my clothes. I mean, I do use it on my clothes every now and then. Ooh, brownie. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, I was gonna say brownie points, but like, this plastic is so sharp. I mean, I do appreciate that they had a little punch out panel or whatever, so you don't have to use a scissors to get into this, but the edges are very sharp. Proceed with caution. Okay, and it does feel a little different than the one that I own. This one's a bit more prickly of bristles. I mean, it's soft. Oh, okay, and there's particular arrows. Make sure you're using it the right way. It's got a nice feel to it. It's what I would assume, like traffic people, you know, like at the airport with the lights. I bet this feels, at least I feel like it looks like it would feel similar. Anyways. Oh, maybe that's the magic. On the inside of this, it looks like it is lined with the exact same fur thing, and then the fur will collect at the bottom and then you can empty it and easy peasy. Oh, the travel size is so cute. So the travel size is just one-sided. I assume it's because you really shouldn't need more than that, especially when you're traveling and you're away from your pets. All right, I'm so excited. Let's go try this out. Seriously, look at this. I vacuumed yesterday, but my cats play with each other and they tumble around and then there's little fur balls everywhere. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you real good. All right, let's see. Swipe. Ooh, swipe. Because I mean, just having to get out my vacuum, yes, Figaro, this is partially your doing. Look at what you've done. He's like, excuse me, ma'am. I put that fur there for a reason. Ooh, nice. Yeah, check that out, Fig. Oh, don't eat it. Now let's see. Put it in. It's really hard to pull out. But it did clean it off mostly. I mean, there's a little poof right there still, but yes, it is your fur. Take responsibility. God, the carpet at this apartment is just trash. Ooh, nice. I think what I was saying before doing this is just that it's annoying to have to whip out a huge vacuum to get the surface fur. Nice. Mostly. Looks like it's having a little trouble just with at the base. Let's see what this looks like. Maybe it's just full already? No. Maybe my cat's hair is just immune to collecting at the bottom because it's so fluffy. But okay, let's do more. Oh, hello, fur monster number 2. Oh, I suppose number 1. You were my firstborn. Look at the fluff. Oh, hi, you are cute. But look at this. My quilt gets so hairy because this is Galileo's favorite place to sleep at, is on my bed. Which, I mean, hey, I'm all for snuggles. Let's see. Shoop. Ooh. Shoop. Oh, nice. Shoop. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Figaro is really insistent. He's like, ma'am, even on the bed? No, we put that there for a reason. I don't care, Fig. Oh, yeah. Oh, heck yeah. I really am just finding that the biggest problem here is with the supposedly self-cleaning thing is that the hair, it doesn't completely come off. I don't know, like I said, maybe it's just too much fluff in there, but I mean overall it does clean pretty well. And then at the base, poof. See, because it all gets stuck at the bottom. Maybe my fluffs are just too fluffy. Oh, ew, don't lick that, Fig. Yeah, and so maybe the kind of fluff that my cats produce is a bit resistant, or it clings a little too well in there, because I can see anyways. I don't know how you end up cleaning the inside of this. Oh, whatever. I'm not mad to have gotten all of this. All right, here we have another huge offender, the figure 8 thing, the scratcher thing that the cats love to sleep on, and oh yay! It's actually really hard to get the fur out of this for some reason. I don't know, it gets really sticky. You kind of try and do it like the lint part of the laundry. Oh, so that is so nice that it just takes it right off. Yes! Oh, I'm so pleased. Are you pleased? Or are you mad? You want your fur back? Too bad. The minute you got rid of it, it became mine. You weirdo. Alright, and then let's also see on the cat tree here. This is one of Figaro's favorite sleeping spots. It is so hard to get the hair off of this. Oh my god. It just gets so matted in there. I mean, it's not perfect, but shoot, it's working a lot better than my hands would. All right. Fig's like, human, excuse me? What do you... You're so cute. I'm sorry, I'm cleaning your cat tree. Don't hate me. Okay? Don't hate me. I get the slow blinks. Maybe? Nope. Saw a bird. I think some of this fur is just like a part of the cat tree at this point. Hey, but there we go. I know, I'm the worst. I'm the worst. Just trying to clean up here. How dare I? Are you taking back my Mother of the Year award, Fig? Were you ever gonna give it to me in the first place? Nice. I can get inside here now. Oh, nice, Fig. Ma'am? Hey, I didn't say you could touch it. I hear you have dogs.
Yes, I do.
And they have fur?
Oh, yes. One of them does. The other one has hair. That's the one.
And what about this one?
This one has hair.
Okay, well, where's a hairy spot?
Well, this is about as hairy as it gets in here. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Here. On the edge. See all the edges all bald? Yep. Look at that! Oh, that was satisfying. Now on here.
On here?
Here. No, here. Now. This is fun!
Now, do you want to clean it? So you can get more? Stick it in. And you have to pull really hard to pull it out.
That's dang good. This works nice.
Now do it in the direction of the arrows.
Oh.
Yep. Nice. Nice. I see one.
This is sweet.
Yeah.
Do I get to keep it?
Nope. You can go back to Joann's.
Oh my gosh!
Yes! Look at it. I didn't even see any of that.
I didn't either. Here, let's clean it and do this. Wow, that's fantastic. Oh.
Yeah, it's not perfect at getting it all out. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, God, yes.
Ah, yes! Nice.
Isn't that awesome?
It is. Wow. I'm getting one of these.
Right? You're welcome, Fur Wizard. / thank you for just making a product that actually works. You're vicious! You're so vicious! Alright, hello everyone. I feel like there's only so many times you can watch me swipe animal fur off of my furniture or my mother's furniture. 100%. I endorse this product. Endorse it? Can you only say that when it's sponsored? This is not sponsored. Like I said, I purchased this on my own. But this Hurricane Fur Wizard, oh, heck yes. If you own an animal and that animal is free roaming around your place, just get one. Just do it. You know, go to Joann's, use their 40% off coupon. You'll get it for very cheap and you will enjoy using this 1,000,000,000%. I can't imagine anyone would be disappointed in this product. It works great. I mean, yeah, little kinks, like, it's difficult to pull out sometimes and it doesn't completely clean off the brush, but like, is it really that big of a deal? No. Also, you know, at the base, we do get a nice ball of fur there. That's nice. It can be a little difficult, you know, you kind of gotta reach in to completely clean out this chamber. But like, is it the end of the world? No. I just feel like they advertise it as being a little bit more like, it just comes right out. Like I said though, not the end of the world. I love this thing. I'm sure this little travel size will be just as fun to use. The only thing is that I don't really understand why it can't come out of this thing. You have to like keep it in there. But yeah, I mean, I don't see why not use this for travel. Either way, it's lightweight. This will be great for travel. I'll keep it in my suitcase always, and this I'll just keep around my apartment here. I love it, and I'm excited to keep on using it and getting cat hair wherever it may be. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's not, you know, it's not on a new product or anything. This thing has been around for at least a year or two, I'm pretty sure, but you know, I'm just getting around to it. I've seen it advertised a ton lately, and I just hope it was helpful to some of you. I know not everyone has heard of it. My mom and my stepdad surely had never seen it before. My brother hadn't seen it before. So hey, maybe it's news to someone out there, one of you all with a pet. You can now clean your house much easier if you didn't know about this thing. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried out this product and if it worked just as well for you. Also, just let me know any other gadgets, gizmos, whatever that you want me to test out here on my channel. I would love to do so, and I love knowing what you guys would love to see me do. Aside from all of that, you can let me know if this video was helpful helpful and or enjoyable by giving it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you are new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I would love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!